Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m divided by 2 is equals to square root of m, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now first of all we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method we move the term 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, or in other words we say that here we just remove the fraction from left hand side, and for this we multiplying both of the sides by 2 on each of these values, so it will becomes 2 multiplied by m over 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by square root of m. This 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here m is equals to, this is 2 times of square root of m. And now here our target is to remove the square root sign, and for this we will apply or we will take squaring on both of the sides. When we taking squaring, it will be written as in this form. So in the left hand side we get m square is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get 2 square into square root of m and its whole square. And now further in the next step we have m square is equals to, this is 2 square becomes 4. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here m only. And further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and this will be written as, here we move the term 4m from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes m square minus 4m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step here we need to take common m from both of these two terms, and when we take common m we get the remaining values are, from here we get m minus, from here we get 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write m minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 4 to the right hand side, and we get the value of m is equals to plus 4. This is the second root of the given equation. So you see that from first method we get these are the two roots of the given equation. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m divided by 2 equals to square root of m, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 4. So here first we verify m is equals to 0, and for this we substitute m is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and it will becomes 0 divided by 2 is equals to square root of 0. And you know that when we divide 0 with any other number, it will always gives us the answer is 0. So we get 0 divided by 2 becomes 0, and this square root of 0 is also becomes here 0. So this means that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, this concludes about that the value m is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of m, and here we substitute m is equals to 4 on both of the sides of the above equation. So this will be written as 4 divided by 2 is equals to square root of 4. So we have, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get 2 is equals to, this is square root of 4 becomes here 2. So this again shows that both of the sides are equal. And if both of the sides are equal, this concludes about that the second value of m is also satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is m equals to 0 and 4. So both of the roots are solution of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. So in the second method, we use another different method to solve this problem for the values of m. So here first we copy down given question statement here. So this is our given question statement, and here our second method with a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution start of this problem, but the first step are same on both of these two methods. So here we remove the fraction from left hand side, so that's why we multiply both of the sides by 2. So further we have this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here m is equals to, this is 2 times of square root of m. And now here we need to focus into the left hand side. This is m. We know that if you have any number a, we write this a as into the form of product of two radicals in this way. So in according to this rule, according to this rule of radicals, we write the left hand side of the above equation as in this form: square root of m multiplied by square root of m is equals to 2 times of square root of m. And now here we move the term 2 times of square root of m from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become square root of m multiplied by square root of m. This term becomes here minus 2 times of square root of m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step, so here you see that both of these two terms involve square root of m. So we take common square root of m from here, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get square root of m minus from here we get 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write square root of m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write square root of m minus 2 is equals to 0. So here in order to get the values of m, we need to remove the square root sign, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So this will becomes this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get m is equals to this 0 square becomes here 0. So this is the value of m which we get here from this method. And now here we need to solve this case. So we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get square root of m is equals to 2. Here we apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as square root of m and its whole square is equals to 2 square. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get m is equals to, this is 2 square becomes here 4. So this is the second value of m. So these are the two values of m which we get here in the second method. But in the first method we already verified that both of these two roots satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is m is equals to 0 and 4. These are the two solutions, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.